Motor Misfit.
Alright, so we got a nice little goodie that came in from AmericanMuscle.com. Shout out to them. And as you can see, we're gonna put a nice little well, actually a better spoiler, not little, a bigger spoiler on the Mustang. So I'm thinking about calling it, I don't know, do you guys name your cars? I'm calling it Yoshi. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yoshi, the dinosaur dragon looking thing from Mario Brothers. So the Shelby was Vader, the Mach 1 was Mac. This is Yoshi. I think that's what I'm gonna go with. So let's take this out, and before we start anything, just make sure that this looks good, that there's no issues here. I'm gonna sit you guys down here. All right, so let's check this out. So this is from MP Concepts on AmericanMuscle.com. It's looking nice. It is looking nice. Got the glass block. So we got the glass black, the gloss black from GT500 Style. Now this was, this wasn't a bad price. It's not the Ford Performance one, and yeah, maybe the paint could be a little bit better. You see some like imperfections, but for what it is, the price, it's not bad. Came with some little instructions, some tape, and at the same time, it came with the gurney flap. I don't know if I'm gonna put the gurney flap on today, but it came with that as well. All right, guys, so I already got started. This isn't a how-to video, so I'm not gonna go through step by step, but this is actually pretty easy, especially if you already have a spoiler on your car. If it already came equipped with one of these blade spoilers, then you already have all the holes here and you don't have to drill. So that's probably the scariest part, if you have to drill, right? So I took off the spoiler, I unbolted these bolts. There's 4 bolts. I basically lifted up the spoiler and took it off, right? And now it's about cleaning this, because obviously this spoiler isn't going to get on correctly if this isn't clean, right? So best tip I could give you is get yourself one of these. You can get it at AutoZone, Advanced Auto, Walmart, and this will make your life a lot easier because this strips down the tape. So yeah, that's the best tip I can give you. And then when you come back, this should all be clean. This is what probably took the longest to do, but as you see, we got most of the tape off. There is some little spots there that you can see, and for that I have Goo Gone that I just sprayed on, and I just sprayed on it to get those little last pieces off, and we should be good after that. So while we're waiting for that, we're gonna prepare this, and basically what you have to do here, very clear instructions. You just put on these little tapes that it has here, wherever it's supposed to go. So basically one there, and one here, and voila. Then it's ready to be put on. You peel off the tape, you pull it off, and you bolt it back on. And that should be it, guys. So I'm gonna prepare that while I'm waiting for the goo gun, and hopefully when I talk to you guys again, it's already gonna be kind of on. So let's go. So we're basically done. I'm just putting this back on, which is very easy. You just gotta make sure everything goes on. I already bolted everything. Where is it? Gonna pick up right there. Got 2 bolts right there, 1 bolt there, 1 bolt here. Finished product looks amazing. And yeah, it's a little late right now, so we'll reconvene when it's in the daytime, so you guys can see the actual full effect of how this looks. And I love this car. This Grabber lime green, amazing, with the gloss black. I have the black package, so it's a gloss black roof. Yeah, it just looks good. Let's cut to daytime. All right, so guys, here is the finished product. Boom. Car looks so much better with that spoiler and not the little blade spoilers, I think what they call it. So yesterday I didn't have time to do the wicker build. I was actually on the fence if I was gonna do it or not. Crap. And I didn't do it, but now that I look at it, I think it's kind of lopsided. Oh well, either way, I'm the only one that's really gonna know like that, but whatever. Nobody's really gonna take a tape measure. But yeah, between me and you, crap, this side is a little higher, but whatever, it is what it is at this point. I already drilled it, can't do anything about it. So let me know what you guys think. That is definitely one thing that you got to watch out for. There is a little lip here that you should watch out for, and I don't know if I should take that off and just drill it again. I want to keep drilling holes in there, but yeah, now I gotta decide what I'm gonna do with that. But either way, Yoshi is looking pretty good. Put the little four performance on the top, that came messed up too, but yeah, I'm really liking how everything is coming out. So let's get it, guys. It's all about personalizing our Mustangs, and I love how this looks. Well, that's it. I'm looking like a big sweaty mess right now because I was putting that banner on, but let me know what you guys think. Till next time, peace. Thank you for checking out the channel. Please subscribe. I'll keep bringing you guys more content.